This advisory is for the following:
SPR!
in Georgia, Banks, Durham, Cherokee, Clark, Forsyth, Gwinnett, Hall, Jackson. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, west central Oconee County and upstate South Carolina until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Walhalla, Oregon, 6 miles east of Tallulah Gorge State Park, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Long Creek and Toccoa. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.